Okay, I thought I would use the online simulator to show the operation of the 555 timer circuit that we're using in our digital fundamentals class and also in our soldering course as well. So this is the circuit that we're trying to duplicate in class. I think it's a 5 kilo ohm instead of a 2.2. Let's see here. Here we go. Like 4.7 is pretty close. So I have a 470 microfarad capacitor, 4.7K for RB, a 10K for RA. I have 9 volts applied to it. I've got my output resistor and LED and my NPN transistor. This program doesn't really allow you to select a particular transistor, but you can change the gain, the amplification value. So if we had something in mind, like a gain of 200, we could type that in here. It just makes it more sensitive to turn on with less current in the base circuit here. You can see the direct output and the inverted output. You can see the lights turning on and off. Down here at the bottom, you can see the scope for this that shows the on-off signal from the output right here. Let me delete this scope and I'll add a new one. What I'll do is I'll just I'll right-click here and say View in New Scope, so you can see the LED turning on and off right here. Okay. Also, I changed the time step on this. Let me show you where this adjustment is. If you go to Options, Other Options, you can change how frequently the circuit gets processed. So 10 mils is 10 milliseconds. If I do 100 milliseconds, you can see that it increments pretty quickly here. That's 10 times normal speed. So if you change the simulation speed here and bring it back to 1x, it's pretty much in real time. So we see the 5 seconds and 3 seconds, the 5 and 3 that we were looking for. So it's kind of in real time at this point. It bunches up the scope though to where you can't really see what's going on. Let's see if there's an adjustment on that. There is. So if I change my horizontal, let me change it to 1 second per division, or 2, I guess. So you can see the output turn on and off. Okay. So that's pretty interesting. It can simulate quite a bit. Let me turn off the scope, and I can change a value. Let's change this 470 to something else like 47. So it should run faster, and you can see that it is running faster already. It's still real time, so those are in seconds, minutes, and seconds. You can see that it's much faster now. So it's a pretty good simulator. I think it's good. The more I use it, the more I like it. Haven't found anything that I just don't like yet. So we can do logic. We can do not sure how. Let's see what we can do here. Subcircuits, analog circuits. Okay. Digital chips. Quite a few logic chips in here. Flip flops. Basic gates as well. Okay. Amplifiers. We can do quite a bit. So we'll probably simulate as much as we can with these circuits and then transfer it to the breadboard to build it and test it in real life. You can also see we've got a lot of diagnostic tools, meters here, ohm meters, etc. Also lots of passive components, switches and relays as well down here. So we can do quite a bit with this.